Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to reset some values of your Mercedes-Benz C180 Coupe. Stay a while and listen at the driver's seat. First step, ignition on. Good job. Now let's have a look at the display in front of you. You're able to navigate by using the home button and then go to Voyage. Then you are able to switch to the trip meter and then press the OK button, and then the computer is asking you reset value, yes or no. Switch up and down or down and press OK. After this, the trip in this is reset. Another reset value is from start trip computer, from reset trip computer, and the ECO, the echo display, you are able to reset too. If you reset the values in the echo display, the values in the from start trip computers are also resetted. Sorry. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and see you next time. Soon.